Hi, I'm David Wilson. I'm joined today by
Eva Rodilius.
And today we're going to talk about something that's pretty important to understand in relation to DWIs. Eva, what does it mean to be in control of a car?
In Minnesota, physical control is something that's really fact-specific. And it has a lot to do with your proximity to the controls of the vehicle, has to do with where the keys are in the vehicle, if the vehicle is operable. All of those things play into whether or not you're in physical control of the vehicle.
So if I go to a bar and I decide I'm going to sit in my car and try to sober up, and I'm just playing music on the radio, is that going to give me a DWI?
Almost certainly.
How if I take the keys and I put them in the trunk?
Because you would still have access to the keys, that's almost certainly still going to get you a DWI.
Well, so is it the keys that control? Like, so if I threw them in the yard, for example, would that save me from a DWI?
I think it would be a harder question, but so long as you could go and retrieve the keys, come back and start the vehicle, I think you're probably still looking at a DWI.
How if the car became disabled and I just sat in it? Say I had a flat tire.
Well, actually, the degree that the car is damaged or inoperable is something that the court is going to take into consideration.
Have you had a recent case when this came up?
I did. So we had a case where the car was completely inoperable, and based on that, we were able to successfully argue that they weren't in physical control of the vehicle.
And how did you prove the car was inoperable?
Mechanics reports.
Okay. So if you have any questions about DWIs and whether you were actually in control of a car, please feel free to call us, 612-436-7100. Ask for Eva.